Healthcare Life Insurance. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are here to announce about a new endowment premier product. Let me introduce you to our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. K.S. Gopalakrishnan, who will now take you through the product presentation. If you have any questions, thereafter we can take it over lunch or one-on-ones are also fine with us. Yeah, over to you.
Protection business.
That's term insurance.
But I must also add here that when we look at term insurance business, we don't necessarily look at my premium mix. Rather, we look at my mix of customers because term insurance typically premium will be smaller. So, for a customer term வாங்குறாரு endowment வாங்குறாருனாக்கா endowmentல let's say 20000 premium கட்ட ரெடியா இருக்காரு. But termல premium வந்து 10000 கம்மியா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா term insuranceல sum assured even for 10000 rupees sum assured. 10,000 rupees premium, sum assured is almost 1 crore. So if I see by number of customers, we actually see almost 30% of our new business is coming from protection business.
So of this traditional products with the profits 50% you said, what is the split between with profits and without profits, and why is traditional plans with profits gaining momentum?
So let's say about 50 to 55% is coming from traditional savings cum insurance. On the 55 la, about 40 will be from with profits business and another 15 will be from without profits business. The customers.
Can you tell us about the growth of Religare in different regions, in regional markets also, and how it has been performing over the last few quarters?
Yeah, so let me tell about 13-14. It's just ended financial year. So in that financial year, we grew by 18% compared to 12-13. And we are one of the very few players who grew in that year. Generally, if you are tracking the industry, it's largely flat. There are some who are growing. This year, for the 8-month period from April to November, we have grown by almost 33%. 1/3 is the growth compared to same period last year. From which regions is the growth coming? It's largely coming from all places because our presence is not that we don't have 2,000 or 1,000 branches. We have about 65 branches across 52 cities and towns. So we see largely growth is coming from pretty much all the regions. We are only seeing there is a difference in terms of products. For example, so it pays a lump sum on maturity. In addition to the guaranteed addition, there is also a bonus that we will declare every year. So we already have been declaring bonus rates, which goes to almost 6.5% of sum assured in our current existing products. So this product will also participate in the profits or surplus in the with profits portfolio. In addition to that, there is also a death benefit during the entire term of the policy. So again, to summarize, what can a customer do? A customer can select a policy term, and the policy term can be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and other different premium paying terms are also offered. For example, if somebody is buying a 10-year policy term, they can select a single premium option, or they can pay premium for 5 years. If they are selecting 15-year policy term, then they can pay premium for 10 years, and if they select a 20-year policy term, then they can select a premium term of 15 years or 20 years. In other words, either 15 வருஷத்துக்கு premium கட்டலாம் இல்லாட்டி 20 வருஷத்துக்கு premium கட்டலாம். So I explained about bonus. So bonus எப்படி declare பண்ணோம்னா every year March year end முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் April we will declare a bonus. And the bonus வந்து ஒவ்வொரு பாலிசிக்கும் it will get attached. Bonus rate வந்து will depend on how the fund is performing. So performance usually mortality experience எப்படி இருக்குது, investment performance எப்படி இருக்குது, expense management எப்படி இருக்குது, இதெல்லாம் பொறுத்து bonus rate every year vary ஆகும். நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி இது வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் டிக்ளேர் பண்ண bonus rates have been going up to 7%, 6.5% of sum assured. It obviously varies from product to product. And so what happens on death? On death, a person will get paid sum assured plus whatever guaranteed additions have been added to the policy, plus whatever bonuses have been declared. And there are some illustrations where I will explain it with some numbers. On maturity, it's again sum assured will be paid plus all the guaranteed additions plus whatever bonuses have been declared. In addition to that, there also could be a one-time terminal bonus declared on maturity. That's 3-4 years, and they want to take a loan against the policy. So up to 60% of surrender value can be taken as a loan. Otherwise, typically in the very traditional products, withdrawal facility which is normally the case in unit-linked products. So in all traditional products, people don't get the option to take money out. If it's a 20-year policy, then they have to pay for 20 years. So what we have introduced is a loan facility against the surrender value. And it obviously qualifies for tax rebates. Under the premium payments can be qualified for tax rebate, and the maturity benefits and death benefits will be tax free because the product